Hey guys, it's run time now, and I hope your day is good well so far. I have been working through the morning, and now it's time to take a little break. I will like part of the day because it feels like hitting the reset buttons. Water. You are eating something delicious, relaxing for a moment, or just enjoying a little quiet time. I hope your run break gives you good energy. Remember, the day isn't over yet. So let's shift the wise, light, and positive. Take a deep breath, enjoy your food, and keep going with a happy heart. Have a great run and see you next time, everyone.